Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. I'm Miss Farhana, teacher of Montessori reception from Herald City School. Okay children, today I will teach you GK question answer from final term syllabus. Let's start. Our first question is, how many days are there in a week? Question is, how many days are there in a week? Answer is, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Monday, Monday. This is Monday. Now the second is Tuesday. Tuesday. This is Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. This is Wednesday. The next is Thursday. This is Thursday. Thursday. Now next is Friday. This is Friday. Friday. Now this is Saturday. 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 And this is Sunday. Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. Now second question is, what is the name of our country? What is the name of our country? The name of our country is Pakistan. Now next question is, what is our national fruit? What is our national fruit? Answer is, our national fruit is mango. Our national fruit is mango. Now next question is, what is our national language? What is our national language? Answer is, our national language is Urdu. Our national language is Urdu. Now next question is, what is our national color? What is our national color? And answer is, our national color is green. Our national color is green. This color is green. Okay children, so this is your homework. I advise you to please learn all these questions in this video, and please collect your final term syllabus from school. Take care. Allah Hafiz.